This is Microsoft PowerPoint 2016, Lesson 4, and we're on the changing slide backgrounds. Theme provides a different background for all slides formatted with that theme. To customize a theme or draw attention to one or more slides, you can apply a different background to certain slides. So we're going to continue working with the PowerPoint that we are working with in the previous section. And we're going to go to slide 6 if it's not already selected. Mine is. On the Design tab, go to the More button in the Variants group. So on the Variants, go to the More button, and then point to Background Styles. A gallery displays some background styles created using the theme's designated background colors. Right-click Style 8. So this should be Style 8. Right-click, and we're going to apply only to that selected slide. So now you can see that it's a lot darker, kind of blackish in there. Go ahead and save the presentation. We can also customize the background. So use the Format Background text pane to create and modify any background, even a default theme background. You can apply a solid color or gradient fill or select a picture or texture for the background. So continue using the same special events final presentation. With slide 6 still active, click the Format Background button on the Design tab. So customize, under the Customize area, I'm going to hit Format Background. The Format Background task pane opens. A gradient fill is selected because the style you selected in the previous exercise was a gradient. Click the Type drop-down arrow, and then in the drop-down list, select the Linear Present. So in Type right here, I'm going to click Linear. Click the Solid Fill option button. This control changes those to the solid colors. Click the color drop-down arrow in the gallery that appears. Click dark purple, background to darker 50%. So it's down here at the bottom of the third column. Drag the transparency slider to 20%. That lightens it up a little bit. Click Picture or Texture Fill. The controls change to those for pictures and textures. Click the Texture drop-down button and click Green Marble Texture. So here's my green marble. So now we've got a green marble looking texture. Click Pattern Fill so we can see the different patterns that we can get. Open the foreground color drop-down arrow list and click dark ground, dark purple. So down here to foreground, we put dark purple background 2. Here's the top one. Open the background color drop-down list and click Text Teal Accent 5. Here's the top one, Teal Accent 5. So now the background is that teal in the foreground, which means those little dots and stuff we see. Click the 90% pattern, the last pattern in the second row. So right here is our 90%. So now it's going to change to the opposite. In the Format Background task pane, click Reset Background. Reset Background right there. Close the Format Background task pane. and save this presentation. So we showed you all the different ways we can change a background. That is the end of that section.